Do you want to know how to make 3D Fortnite thumbnails all on the PlayStation 4 with no PC needed? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that coming up next on YourSix Studios. Now let's go ahead and create that amazing thumbnail all on the PlayStation 4 without a PC needed. Let's go on over to Career and then go to Replays. And the reason that we're in the replay section is because we can take screenshots in here and we can fully remove the HUD by pressing the L3 button in the left thumbstick. So I'm going to speed up my gameplay to actually where I was dancing or pausing a little bit. I think I was on the farm right here. So let's speed it up, and I'm just about where I needed to. Okay, so once you get to the point where you want to take some pictures, and go ahead and press the R3 button in. And you can change it from drone follow, drone attach, drone free, gameplay. I'm going to use drone free, where I can go around my character and take screenshots from all different directions. Then what we're going to want to do is go ahead and press the L3 button in and remove the HUD. And with the R1 and L1 buttons, you can zoom in or zoom out. So I kind of like this image right here. So now to take a picture, it's very easy. Just press the share button and it will take a snapshot on your PlayStation 4. As you can see in the top left corner, it took a picture. Now let's go ahead and take another picture. Let's get down the grass. So take a few pictures from different angles. So when you have all your pictures that you wanted to take, go ahead and press the home button on your PlayStation 4 controller and go to the dashboard here. Close this application and switch over to the video editor called Sharefactory right here. Let's go ahead and select that right now and open up Sharefactory. Now, instead of going to videos right now, what we're going to want to do is go down to Photos and go to New Project. Go ahead and select New Project. I'm going to use the Call of Duty theme just because I don't have a Fortnite theme. So I'm going to select the pictures I want. I kind of like this first one I took right here. I'm going to go ahead and select that picture and then press square to add it, and you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it something else because I already have Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Let's go ahead and go to that and go to continue, and your picture will be in here now. Now the first thing we will want to do is go to the square and go to border settings and remove the line spacing and confirm. And then from here, let's go ahead and go to the X and edit photo. And then from here, we can go ahead and do pan and zooms. We kind of already did that in the game, so we really shouldn't have to do that in here at all. But you do have the option if you want to move up and down, left or right, if you're going to get exactly how you wanted to when you were taking the picture before. So I'm going to zoom out and go to the original. I kind of like that. But from here, I like to add like a vintage effect, just a small vintage effect. Or sometimes none. We can go ahead and delete that filter. And the filter I like the most is probably Saturate, or this one down here called Clarity. As you can see, everything is much more popped out, much more colorful with the clarity. And let's go ahead and go to the Saturate here. And Saturate is just a little bit further, a step further. The colors are popped out more, but Clarity pops out pretty much everything in the image a little bit more. As you can see, the grass in the background, the fence line. So I really like this one. I'm going to keep that. And then let's add some overlays to our picture. So I'm going to add some text right now. And let's find a text that we like here. I kind of like this third one down. I use that one a lot. So let's go ahead and go to that third text down. Select it, and let's call this make a space a, and let's go ahead and press the R2 button and go to done and put this over here. And then with the R1 button, we can make it bigger. The L1 button, we can make it smaller. So let's go ahead and put this right here. And press X to confirm the location. Then go over to text effects. I like the one with the outline right here, but you have tons of different ones you can use. Just going through them right now. Let's go ahead and go to the black outline one and keep it right there. Then you can go ahead and change the color if you want. We'll do that on the next text. So let's go ahead and back out to the overlay screen right here, and then press X again and go to a new text. Make a Fortnite. Okay, so we have Fortnite in there. Let's go to text effects again, go to the black outline, and go over to color. And this time, let's go ahead and make it yellow. Is that yellow enough? Okay, now let's transform it and put it into its location. Make a Fortnite. Okay, so I like that location. Let's go ahead and press square X again on the overlay menu and add more text. Let's go thumbnail. Press R2, transform it. And let's go to text effects again. Put the black outline on. Make a Fortnite thumbnail. Should we make thumbnail a little bit bigger? If you do back out by accident, go ahead and press the wrench button, the square button on your overlay, and you can go ahead and edit it from there. You can make it a little bit bigger. Let's go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. Make a Fortnite thumbnail. No PC? Let's go ahead and do that. No PC. Or should we put... Let's go ahead and put no PC. I think that's a driving point with this. Boom. So I like that right there. And let's go back to the overlay screen here and press the X button again. And let's go ahead and get a sticker here. And I like these arrows that are down here a little bit more. And I was going to point to one of the texts I have on here. Let's go ahead and choose, let's go ahead and do this skinny arrow. And let's go ahead and rotate it with the L2 button or the R2 button. And make it a little bit smaller. And let's go ahead and put it above here and have the arrow pointing to make a, right above John Wick's head. I like it right there. I wish I could make it a little bit skinnier. It's a fat arrow. Let's go ahead and confirm the location. So we have the thumbnail created the way we want. And this is just an example of how you guys can do it. You can do it many different ways, but this is how I like to do it. So let's go ahead and press the triangle button to save it. And it's going to render the photo. And then we can add it to one of our video clips from here on out. And I'll show you how to do that now. Let's go ahead and press the options and save our project. Okay, now let's go ahead and back out. Exit without saving. And go over to one of our video clips. Go to video. And I'm going to go to my last project, just so I don't have to add everything in again. So I have my video clip right here that I want my thumbnail to be on. I know this is Call of Duty Black Ops, but this is just an example. Let's go ahead and go to the X button and go to Add Screenshot. And scroll down the page just a little bit. And here is our thumbnail we just created, the Call of Duty Black Ops 5 video, but it says make a Fortnite thumbnail, no PC. Let's go ahead and select that. And then press the square button to add it. So it's on here, right here. Let's go ahead and press the options button and go to generate thumbnail. Project thumbnail saved. Now when you upload this to YouTube, this will be the thumbnail on there. You won't have to change it on the PC later on. The thumbnail will be on there when you upload it. It will be saved on there now. Let's go ahead and delete this from our video timeline. Otherwise, you're going to have that thumbnail picture in there when you're watching your video. So you don't have to keep it on there. Once you have it generated as your thumbnail, you do not have to have it on your timeline anymore. From there on out, you can go ahead and save your project and then press the triangle button. And you can go ahead and render your movie and share it to YouTube And when you upload it, that will be your thumbnail. So this is an example of how you can make a thumbnail all on the PlayStation 4 using Sharefactory. It's great. There's some good thumbnails that you can actually make on here. So if you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.